In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Visio files in a Confluence page. This is a quick but important process if you're working with diagrams and need to share or back them up outside of Confluence. I'll walk you through each step slowly, explain what's happening, and give you a few helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page that contains the Visio file you want to export. This might be a project page, a documentation space, or any page where your team has attached diagrams. Make sure you're on the correct page, especially if there are multiple Visio files spread across different sections of your workspace. It can help to use the search bar in Confluence and type in the page name or a keyword related to the Visio diagram. Once you're on the right page, scroll down until you see the Visio file. It may appear as an attachment, a link, or a preview depending on how it was added. Take a moment to verify that this is the exact file you want to export, particularly if there are several versions or similar file names listed. Choosing the wrong file can lead to confusion later, so double check the name and, if visible, the version or date. Next, click directly on the Visio file. When you do this, Confluence will open a preview or bring up a viewer for the diagram. This view lets you confirm the content visually, which is helpful for making sure you're exporting the right diagram, especially for complex projects with many similar flows or charts. Now, look for the download button below the file. This is usually represented by a small downward arrow icon or a button clearly labeled download. It will be located underneath the Visio preview or near the file name. Go ahead and click that download button. Your browser will then start downloading the Visio file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it may either ask you where to save the file or place it automatically in your default downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you'll have a local copy of the Visio diagram that you can open in Microsoft Visio or another compatible tool, share by email, store in a shared drive, or include in other documentation outside of Confluence. And that's all you need to do to export a Visio file from a Confluence page.